Welcome to the Gym Success Podcast.
And welcome to all of you tuning in today. Gym owners, operators, managers, salespeople, all you entrepreneurs and personal trainers out there.
I'm Bonnie.
And I'm George.
And today we're taking you through a really insightful white paper by jthomas.
Yeah, our goal here is pretty simple.
Yeah.
To give you actionable ideas, things you can put into practice in your gym almost immediately.
Exactly. It's all about making your business succeed. And this piece from jthomas, it offers some genuinely powerful strategies.
It really does. We're looking at monthly sales contests today.
Yeah.
And the point is, they're way more than just like a bit of fun.
Right. They're actually strategic tools for the business.
Totally. Strategic.
And jthomas really points out that the lifeblood of this industry, the fitness industry, is momentum.
That's such a key word, momentum.
Yeah, and he argues that without, a consistent spark, that initial drive, it can just fade.
Performance plateaus. It happens all the time, doesn't it?
It really does. It's a common challenge. So for him, these contests aren't just about getting a quick sales bump.
No, not at all. He sees them as really key ways to sustain energy, keep those goals right in front of everyone.
Keep them top of mind.
Yeah, top of mind. And fundamentally, build a culture where results aren't just, hoped for, but actually celebrated, expected even.
It's about fighting that natural dip in enthusiasm, isn't it? Keeping things sharp.
Exactly. Maintaining that peak performance over the long haul.
And something he mentions, which I think gets missed a lot, is his kicker, as he calls it.
Yeah, this is important.
It's not just about the sales team, right?
No, that's the common mistake, focusing only there. Jim really hammers home that every single department adds to growth.
Everyone. Front desk, trainers.
Even maintenance.
Yeah.
Everyone plays a part. And they should all be, recognized for it, rewarded.
It's a massive missed opportunity if you only focus on sales.
Huge. And that's what we're going to unpack today, how you can actually get everyone involved.
Making sure the whole team is pulling the same direction, motivated by those shared goals.
Precisely. Because that's when a simple contest becomes like a real cultural driver for the whole gym.
Okay, so to really show the power here, Jim shares this fantastic real-world example.
Oh, the $500 challenge. This is a great story.
Yeah, the $500 advance challenge. Apparently it broke sales records. He talks about a Monday meeting. Managers are there.
Right.
And he asks them to hold out their hands.
And just puts cash in them.
5 crisp $100 bills, like boom, $500 right there in their hands.
And the rules were so simple, but just wow.
Yeah.
Effective.
Hit your monthly number, you keep the cash.
But if you miss,
it comes right out of your next paycheck.
Ouch. But the key thing, the real twist Jim points out, is getting the money in advance.
Yeah, it wasn't some promise of a bonus later. It was theirs already.
What do you think about that? Seems kind of risky, no?
Risky, maybe, but also kind of brilliant. It creates this immediate ownership, right?
It totally changes the game.
I mean, you're not working towards something you might get.
You're fighting to keep what you've already got.
There's some powerful psychology there, isn't there?
Absolutely. Jim's capping right into loss aversion.
Loss aversion. Explain that a bit.
Well, it's a basic human thing, really. We are way more motivated to avoid losing something we have.
Than we are to gain something new.
Significantly more motivated, yeah. So imagine holding that actual $500 cash. It's real. It's yours. The idea of having it taken away, that's a huge driver.
And the case study shows it worked spectacularly. Record-breaking sales that month.
Every single manager hit their target.
Because that reward wasn't abstract. It was concrete, personal, right there.
That psychological weight of maybe losing those 5 bills, it just shifted everything. Behavior, results, the whole focus.
It's a perfect example of how making incentives immediate, tangible, and playing on that loss aversion. It can just dramatically boost performance.
It really shows how we're wired, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That money wasn't an if, it was an is. Game changer.
Okay, so moving beyond just the immediate sales jump, what about the bigger picture? The strategic benefits.
Right, because Jim shows it's about more than just the numbers. It's about shaping the gym's culture.
So, benefit 1, maintaining focus on key metrics.
Yeah, keeping eyes on the prize.
Because it's so easy to get lost in the day-to-day stuff, right? The operational whirlwind.
Definitely. Contests keep that attention locked on the activities that actually drive revenue, the important stuff.
And that connects to the second benefit, reinforcing the vision and culture.
These contests aren't just about cash. They're like a constant reminder to everyone about the gym's mission.
Growth, service, success.
Exactly. They show through action, what the organization really values. It embeds those values deep.
That makes sense. And third, the energy boost.
Oh yeah, the energy. Bit of healthy competition, it just fuels enthusiasm. It creates a buzz.
You can feel it, can't you? Even members probably notice when there's that kind of energy in the air.
They definitely do. It makes the gym more exciting for everyone. It's contagious.
Oh.
And the fourth benefit, which I think is like really transformative, is how it encourages collaboration between departments.
Ah, breaking down silos.
Exactly. When you structure incentives right, everyone starts thinking a bit like a salesperson. Even, the maintenance crew.
They see how their work connects to the bottom line.
Yeah. They get how keeping things clean or equipment working impacts member satisfaction, which impacts retention, which impacts sales. It builds that shared ownership.
When you connect it to the bigger picture like that, you can really see how it changes the whole rhythm of the gym.
Everyone starts rowing together. Same goal.
And finally, benefit 5. Measurable, predictable boosts.
This is huge for planning. jthomas says a well-run contest. It can deliver double-digit sales growth in 1 month.
Wow, double digits. That's not just a little bump.
No, it's significant. And it's predictable. It gives you a system, a repeatable way to get growth.
Leveraging psychology for real business gains.
That's it. A systematic way to predictably lift revenue, align everyone, and just keep growing.
Okay, so let's talk practicalities. We mentioned the mistake of only focusing on sales.
Right, the big one.
Jim insists every department can and should move that needle. You're just leaving money on the table otherwise.
So much potential, yeah.
So how do we actually tailor contests for different teams? What does that look like?
Okay, so the key is matching goals and incentives to what each team actually does. Let's break it down.
All right, sales team first. Seems easiest.
Yeah, pretty straightforward. Goals, new memberships, upgrades, incentives. Think cash bonuses, extra PTO.
Maybe some cool tech gadgets.
Totally. High-end gadgets,
Yeah.
weekend trips, things that directly reward hitting those core revenue targets.
Okay, what about personal trainers? Their goals are a bit different.
Still revenue-focused, but yeah, different angle. Goals, sell more training packages, upsell clients to bigger packages, and crucially, boost session usage. Keep clients coming back.
Right. Usage is key for long-term value.
Exactly. So incentives. Think things that help them. Commission boost, sure, but also maybe premium training gear or paid certifications.
Oh, that's smart. Investing in their skills, win-win.
Definitely. Then front desk, super important team.
The face of the gym, really.
Absolutely. Goals for them, generating qualified leads, maybe booking those free intro sessions.
Selling retail stuff.
Yeah, selling retail. Incentives, gift cards work well, branded apparel, maybe spa vouchers, or even fun team outings.
Things that make them feel valued and part of the team.
Precisely. Their engagement is critical.
Okay, group fitness instructors. They bring so much energy.
Huge energy.
Yeah.
Goals for them, boosting class attendance, promoting new programs, maybe bringing in referrals.
How do you incentivize that?
Could be cash, sure. Or maybe luxury fitness accessories, like nice yoga mats or water bottles. Or even like a fancy dinner gift certificate. Reward their impact on member engagement.
And finally, the often forgotten maintenance and ops team.
Can't forget them. Goals,
Yeah.
0 complaints maybe, top cleanliness scores, no equipment downtime.
Things that directly impact the member experience.
Exactly. Incentives. Team lunches or dinners are great. Performance bonuses. Maybe even small pay bumps for consistent excellence.
It makes them feel seen and appreciated for their vital role.
It does. So think about it for your own gym.
Yeah.
What specific goals could your maintenance team hit that would make a real difference?
That's a great question to ask. Okay, so we know who to involve. Now, Jim outlines 5 keys to actually making these contests work. Let's unpack those.
Right, the non-negotiables for success.
Key number 1, set a clear, achievable goal.
Specific, measurable, all that SMART goal stuff.
Right. Realistic, but still a stretch. It needs to be challenging.
Yeah, not something they'll hit by accident, but not so impossible. It just demotivates everyone before they start finding that sweet spot.
Exactly. Key number 2, keep the time frame short.
Jim recommends 1 month. Ideal, really.
Why short?
Long enough to get results, but short enough to keep that urgency high. You let it drag on for, say, a quarter, people lose focus, the impact gets diluted.
Makes sense. Keep it tight. Key 3, use immediate, tangible rewards.
We saw this with the $500, right? Cash is powerful.
But not only cash.
No, Jim notes physical rewards, gadgets, experiences can be just as motivating, sometimes more so.
Offers a different kind of satisfaction, bragging rights.
Yeah, exactly. Think about what really clicks with your specific team members.
Good point. Okay, key 4 brings us back to
Loss aversion, using those advanced rewards like the $500.
because people work harder to keep what they have.
Drives that urgency and commitment like nothing else. It's powerful stuff.
And the 5th key, maybe the most important, celebrate loudly.
Yes. Recognition isn't just like a nice extra. It multiplies the results.
How so?
Announce winners in meetings, put it in newsletters, tell the members
Yeah.
that public praise reinforces the winning culture.
Makes the win feel bigger.
Way bigger. And it inspires others to want that recognition next time. So the
Yeah.
question for you listening is, how are you celebrating wins right now? Is it really resonating?
That's a critical question. It's about building that positive vibe, that performance culture throughout the whole place.
Yeah, making success visible, celebrated, making everyone want to be part of it.
So, okay, one contest can give you that spike. We see that. But Jim Thomas is really pushing for something more sustainable.
Right, absolutely.
Hmm.
True growth, the kind that lasts, comes when these contests aren't just, occasional things.
They need to be part of the gym's rhythm, like a monthly expectation.
Exactly. Baked into the culture.
And what happens over time when you do that consistently?
Well, you see these amazing cumulative effects. You start to
Yeah.
build a really self-motivated sales environment.
Yeah.
Teams just take ownership.
And that cross-departmental accountability we talked about.
That gets stronger and stronger. Everyone understands how they contribute to the bigger win.
And ultimately,
Ultimately, you cultivate this performance-driven culture where winning just becomes the norm, not the exception.
that's the goal, isn't it?
That's the ultimate goal. So what does this all mean for your gym's long-term success? It means creating a system where high performance is just built in, not just something you spark now and then.
So wrapping things up, the core message from Jim Thomas today seems pretty clear. Incentives work. They make goals feel real, urgent, exciting.
Yeah, whether it's that bold $500 upfront cash or creative non-cash rewards, the principle is the same. People just perform better when there's something tangible on the line.
And his big advice, don't run contests just sometimes. Make them part of your monthly rhythm.
Keep them fresh, make them fun.
And crucially, make sure every department gets to play and win.
So here's a final thought to chew on. What is one small, tangible reward you could maybe offer, like this week, just to kickstart some momentum in one single department?
Just a little spark.
Yeah, just a little spark. It might be simpler than you think, and the payoff could be surprisingly big.
Great final thought. And listen, if you need help building these kinds of high-performance systems, boosting your team's engagement, or really turning your gym into a revenue machine,
You should definitely reach out to Jim Thomas.
yeah, contact Jim Thomas. He's the gym business expert. You can reach him directly at 214-629-7223.
That number again is 214-629-7223.
Or you can email him at jthomas@fmconsulting.net.
jthomas@fmconsulting.net.
We definitely recommend connecting with him. He can help you build out that custom monthly sales contest playbook for your specific gym.
Absolutely worth looking into.